Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best blender of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best blender of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Vitamix E310 Explorian blender with personal cup adapter delivers professional-grade performance in a compact, easy-to-use design, perfect for both everyday blending and advanced culinary creations. Equipped with a 48 ounces container, this model is ideal for medium-sized batches, making it great for small families or personal meal prep. Its powerful motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades ensure consistent blending results, handling everything from silky smoothies and hot soups to nut butters and frozen desserts. With 10 variable speeds and a pulse feature, you get complete control over texture, whether you want a smooth puree or a chunky blend. The included personal cup adapter adds convenience for on-the-go lifestyles. You can blend directly into the travel cups, making it easy to take smoothies, shakes, and juices with you without extra cleanup. Designed for durability and reliability, the Vitamix E310 is built to last, backed by the brand's trusted quality. The self-cleaning feature allows the blender to clean itself in seconds with just warm water and a drop of dish soap. Overall, this blender offers power, versatility, and convenience, perfect for anyone looking to elevate their kitchen experience. Number 2. The Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender is engineered for exceptional performance, durability, and professional-grade blending. Powered by a robust 2.5 HP copper motor, it delivers unmatched speed and torque, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, soups, sauces, and more. The motor's copper windings ensure long-lasting efficiency and cooler operation, supporting a lifespan designed to last up to 100 years with proper care. Equipped with precision laser-cut stainless steel blades, the Infinity blender handles even the toughest ingredients with ease. From leafy greens to frozen fruits and dense vegetables, it produces consistently smooth results. Its quick ice crushing capability transforms ice into snow-like texture within seconds, making it perfect for bars, cafes, and home kitchens. The spacious 64 ounces BPA-free jar offers ample capacity for large batches, while its ergonomic design ensures easy pouring and cleaning. Built for heavy-duty daily use, this blender operates with stability, reduced noise, and reliable consistency. Whether you're preparing silky smoothies, creamy purees, or high-power blends, the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender delivers the strength and quality professionals trust. Upgrade your kitchen with a blender crafted for performance, longevity, and remarkable versatility. Number 3. The Ninja All-in-One Blender and Food Processor is the perfect kitchen companion for anyone who wants fast, consistent, and delicious results every day. Designed to handle a wide range of tasks, this versatile appliance easily transitions from blending smoothies to mixing cookie dough, preparing fresh salsas, shredding coleslaw, pureeing soups, and so much more. Its powerful motor works seamlessly with BlendSense trademark intelligence, a smart technology that automatically adjusts speed and power to deliver perfectly smooth and evenly processed results every time. Whether you're starting your morning with a nutrient-packed smoothie or prepping ingredients for dinner, the Ninja All-in-One offers exceptional control and convenience. Multiple preset programs take the guesswork out of blending and processing, while the durable blades and thoughtfully designed containers ensure long-lasting performance. The food processor attachment makes chopping, mixing, and shredding effortless, reducing meal prep time significantly. Easy to clean and simple to operate, this all-in-one system is ideal for busy households, home cooks, and anyone seeking reliable, high-quality results with minimal effort. Elevate your kitchen routine with the Ninja All-in-One Blender and Food Processor, an appliance built to do it all. Number 4. Discover the perfect blend of power, capacity, and convenience with the Aeitto blenders for kitchen, designed to elevate your everyday cooking experience. Equipped with a max 1800W high-performance motor, this professional-grade blender delivers exceptional speed and precision, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, frozen drinks, soups, nut butters, and more. The 68 ounces large capacity Triton pitcher is durable, BPA-free, and spacious enough to serve your entire family in one blend. To simplify your routine, the Aeitto blender features 3 preset programs for smoothies, ice crushing, and pulse, ensuring consistent results with a single touch. For complete control, you can also choose from 7 adjustable speeds, allowing you to achieve the exact texture you want, whether silky smooth or perfectly chunky. Built with stainless steel blades and advanced blending technology, this countertop blender handles tough ingredients effortlessly while maintaining long-lasting durability. The non-slip base, easy-to-clean design, and secure lid offer convenience and safety for daily use. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting, or simply enjoying your favorite drinks, the Aeitto 1800W blender brings professional blending performance right to your kitchen. Number 5. Experience unmatched blending power with the Chefman Obliterator 48 ounces countertop blender, designed to take your kitchen performance to the next level. Equipped with an impressive 1380W motor, this high-speed blender effortlessly crushes ice, grinds nuts, and blends frozen fruits into perfectly smooth textures. Whether you're preparing creamy smoothies, nutritious shakes, sauces, or hearty soups, this machine delivers professional-grade results every time. The durable stainless steel blade system is built for precision and longevity, allowing you to tackle tough ingredients with ease. Its spacious 48 ounces pitcher is ideal for both single servings and family-sized batches, making it perfect for daily use. With the convenient auto-blend function, the blender adjusts timing and speed automatically, ensuring a consistently smooth finish without any guesswork. Engineered with safety and user comfort in mind, the Chefman Obliterator features a secure lid, non-slip base, and simple controls that make blending fast and hassle-free. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or a home chef exploring new recipes, this powerful blender is your all-in-one solution. Bring home the Chefman Obliterator and enjoy superior blending performance in every cup.